Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Steam Tools content still encrypted error. First method is removing the DLC. Go ahead and right click on the game that's having this problem. Go to properties and then go to DLC. And once in the DLC, go ahead and uncheck every box that you have for the DLC on the game. Once done, go ahead and try to run a game and see if this error still persists. If the error still comes to a problem, go ahead and use the second method. First, go to your store on your Steam. Once in store, go ahead and search for the game that is having this problem. Once you're in the Steam store with the game, go ahead and click on the upper right corner and then click on Lua Tools. Click on Remove via Lua Tools and then go ahead and repair the game and it should be fixed. If that doesn't work again, we can go ahead and do the third method. On the third method, go ahead and open up a browser and type in steamtools.net. Once in that page, go ahead and click on Get It Now, Download Setup. Once done with the download, go ahead and click on the download. Set it up perfectly, and then once downloaded, you can go ahead and try to restart your Steam, and everything should be perfectly fine after that. If this video helped, leave a like. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.